Do you keep getting random quick share requests when you are in public or at work? Here's how to stop it for good. This is part of Samsung Quick Share feature, great for sending files but sometimes to open by default. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon, tap Connected Devices, tap Quick Share, tap Who Can Share With You. Now select Contacts Only or No One depending on how private you want it. As the example, let's set it to Contacts Only, then tap Done. And that's it. From now on, only people you trust can send you files through Quick Share. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.